Hey y'all, this is Missy with Learning Love and Wellness, and I'm actually bringing to you a three-part video series on really just getting back to the basics of using essential oils. Today I'm going to be talking about aromatic use, why you would want to do this in your home and for your family, and what to do when you have a diffuser at home, or if you don't. I'll give you some options as well. So first things first, why you would want to diffuse. Number one is easy. Literally take the top off the diffuser, add in some just regular tap water. You don't need any distilled or filtered water, and add your essential oils, turn it on, and you're good to go. Each diffuser from doTERRA has different settings. You can kind of play with that, but again, it's the simplest way to get started. Another great reason is to actually purify the air in your home. A lot of times if we find ourselves routinely getting sick, sometimes it's what's on the inside that's happening. We're bringing in tons of just stuff from the outside, bacteria, germs, allergens, things like that, and again, that gets recirculated. So you can actually diffuse essential oils to cleanse the air. Now, a couple of great options. Any citrus oil is going to be great to do this. So your wild orange, your lemon is great. But On Guard is my favorite. On Guard is a blend of oils. It's the immune boosting blend. You'll find me diffusing On Guard probably once or twice a month in every single room of the house because, again, I want my air to be cleaner. Now, this is also going to help prevent sickness, so that's another great way that you can use essential oils aromatically. Again, On Guard is great. The Breathe blend is really good for any respiratory issues. Allergies, lemon, lavender, peppermint is a great trio for you to diffuse in the home when you are maybe currently suffering from an allergy attack or you just feel it coming on. Go ahead and diffuse that. So yeah, cleaning the air inside your home. Another great reason to use oils aromatically is for emotional support and our moods. Now, I'm not just talking about times when, we're maybe going through something sad, traumatic that makes us angry. Maybe we're a little bit, the opposite, apathetic. Maybe we need some motivation. But also those moments just day to day, that afternoon slump when we get tired or just having a hard time waking up in the morning. Peppermint and wild orange together is going to be great to diffuse or use in the morning to help get us awake and ready for the day. doTERRA has tons of really good blends and oils for emotional support. Lavender is always a great one to use when we're feeling sad or stressed or anxious. Balance is my favorite blend when I'm stressed and just need something to literally calm me down and ground me for a second. And again, those are great to diffuse. But if you don't have a diffuser, here's what you can do. So you can actually take your bottle of essential oil and just simply open the cap and inhale straight from the bottle. Now, that is going to be super easy to do, again, moment to moment. Another thing you can do, again, taking your bottle of oil, 1 to 2 drops in the palm of your hand, you're going to rub your hands together and simply cup your nose and your mouth. And take some good deep breaths. Now, I would probably say, just 3 to 5 deep breaths is all that you need. If you have any excess, you can rub the back of your neck as well. You can rub over your heart, rub behind the ears. And so, again, you can still get that aromatically as well. That's going to be super simple. And here's the thing when we're using oils aromatically too. Within 22 seconds of inhaling an essential oil, a chemical reaction is happening within the brain and our body is responding accordingly. It's not just about these oils smelling good, which they do, and that is something that we want, but there's actually something happening within the body, and I really want to drive that point home. So, yeah, just wanted to quickly take a few minutes to talk about using your oils aromatically, bringing some things back to the basics. Stay tuned for part 2 and 3, talking about using doTERRA oils topically and internally. And I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know what you enjoyed.